In this OneHowTo video, we're going to explain hip flicks in belly dancing. To begin learning hip flicks in belly dancing, we need to start with the pendulum movement. The pendulum is very simple, but it will help us to get a good hip movement. We're going to open our legs just a little wider than our hips. We make a little bend of the knees, and from here we're going to try to move our hips from side to side as if they were a pendulum without tightening the pelvis or using too much force. Then our hip can go from one side to the other. We're going to move our hips up, 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 and as we do, we can see the pendulum swing remains between the hips and our navel barely moves. Now we're going to swing our hips a little further out by using a little more force. From here, you'll start to notice your navel comes out of its central position a little bit more. For this step, we'll also look to keep our hip a little forward, navel up, chest placed well, and moving side to side, to side, to side, to side. We swing our pelvis so that our hips don't twist back and forth, but as if they were kept flat in a sandwich. We continue side to side, outside the axis, then inside the axis, outside the axis, inside the axis. This step takes us to the hip flick. We simply have to make the flick by squeezing our muscles from one side to the other. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. We strongly recommend that, if you want to get the hip flick right, you start the pendulum from below because the flick itself will move from bottom to top, bottom to top, bottom to top, and it is very important you don't move your heels off the floor. In all the steps, you can go further and play with it a little. We can do a double or even fours. Double, 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 fours, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can also perform combinations of steps. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We can even play with moving forwards and backwards. 2, 2, 2, 2, and back, 2, 2, 2, 2. The possibilities are endless, so we recommend you play with it and try using side, side, double, double, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you practice and progress, you'll see it becomes much easier and you'll be able to perform more flicks in a shorter amount of time.